Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change controls in Roblox directly within the game you are playing. First of all, launch the Roblox app and join or restart the game where you want to change your controls. Once the game loads, look around for the settings or gear icon, usually found in one of the corners of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon and find the controls option in the menu. Once you tap on controls, you will see a list of different control settings available for the game. This may include options for movement, jumping, crouching, and more. Now, tap on the control you want to change. You will be able to customize the action, whether it's switching to a different button or adjusting the sensitivity for things like camera movement. Make sure to save or confirm your new settings if prompted, as some games requires you to save the changes manually. If at any point you feel that the controls aren't working for you, you can always go back to the settings and change them again, or even reset everything to default settings. Remember, not every Roblox game allows you to change controls. This feature is available only in games where the developer has included customizable control options. And that's it, now you know how to change controls in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.